Om Power Transmission Limited, the company, a power transmission infrastructure engineering, procurement, and construction EPC company engaged in executing high-voltage HV and extra-high-voltage EHV transmission lines, substations, underground cabling projects, and providing comprehensive operation and maintenance O&M services proposes to open its initial public offering on 9th April 2026, with equity shares to be listed on the National Stock Exchange of India Limited and BSE Limited. Collectively, stock exchanges. The IPO will comprise up to 85,75,000 equity shares with a face value of 10 rupees each equity shares, comprising of a fresh issue aggregating up to 75,75,000 equity shares fresh issue and an offer for sale of up to 10 lakhs equity shares offer for sale and together with the fresh issue, the offer or IPO. The total offer size is up to 85,75,000 equity shares with a price band of 166 rupees to 175 rupees per share. The company has over 14 years of experience as a Gujarat-based power transmission infrastructure EPC company, with demonstrated capabilities in delivering high-voltage HV and extra-high-voltage EHV transmission lines, substations and underground cabling projects. The company's expertise covers the complete EPC value chain including design, engineering, procurement, supply, construction, installation, and commissioning of transmission lines ranging from 11 kV to 400 kV, as well as substation projects ranging from 66 kV to 220 kV. Since commencement of operations in 2011 in the state of Gujarat, the company has commissioned transmission lines, substations and underground cables covering in aggregate over 1,000 circuit kilometers of transmission lines and 11 substations respectively. The company's EPC capabilities extend to transmission lines ranging from 11 kV to 400 kV and substations up to 220 kV, with a successful track record of completing the projects within timeline.